In this video, we are going to see how to customize the aircraft generation process by modifying the design point on the sizing plot. As shown in a previous video, JPAD Modeller offers different strategies to select the design point, including statistics that are used to compute the design point of the statistically generated aircraft, maximum wing loading that are used to select the design point located at the rightmost part of the sizing plot feasible zone and related to the minimum possible engine requirement in that wing loading condition, minimum engine requirement that are used to select the sizing point leading to the minimum aircraft overall thrust or power required to comply with the calculated limitations while trying to maximize the wing loading, user input that are used to allow the user to manually select the sizing point from the feasible zone of the sizing plot. Whichever the sizing point strategy, to see its effect on the aircraft model, a new complete aircraft generation process must be carried out. Thus, every time the user wants to update the sizing point, the Generate button must be pressed to start the generation process. The only exception is related to the user input strategy. In this case, the Generate button will be disabled, and the user must check the Select Sizing Point checkbox that is placed above the sizing plot chart. After this, the user can interact with the sizing plot using the mouse to manually select the new sizing point from the feasible gray zone. Once selected, the generation process of the new aircraft can be started by clicking the left mouse button over the plot area. Since a custom user selection of the sizing point may lead to unusual or weird aircraft geometries, either in terms of lifting surfaces or engines dimensions, JPAD Modeller has been provided with dedicated geometry consistency checks related to the following components: landing gears, cabin layout, and lifting surfaces movables. For each of them, a detection process has been implemented in the overall aircraft generation workflow, and an auto-fix option is presented to the user at the end of the process. This will be the focus of the next video.